everyone, and welcome to the last Christmas in Summer video for 2020 here on my channel. Dawn H Creates. It's been so fun being part of this collaboration, and I've been able to create some absolutely lovely projects, some lovely Christmas projects that I will be able to send to friends, and I feel like I'm very well prepared now for Christmas, at least when it comes to my sort of Christmas preparations, which are always awful, at least when it comes to card making. I'm always late, and if I'm lucky, I literally manage to make like 3 cards maybe per Christmas. So I'm a person that don't really give like handmade cards for Christmas, but for this year I'm definitely going to do it. So thank you, Dawn, for this lovely collaboration. And as I was saying in my first video for this collaboration, today is the day where I'm going to draw the winner for my giveaway, my Parisian themed little giveaway, which was open to everyone, and the winner is going to be announced in the end. But first I want to share with you my project that I have created for today, and it is a Christmas card with some lovely Minte papers, which I absolutely love. I created with this paper pad for my first video, and then for the last one I've also created a card with this paper pad. It's absolutely gorgeous. So the card itself is just a normal 6x6 cardstock. I've then used a lovely circle die from Kleine Palmer Designs, and I've used some of Kleine Palmer Designs dies here, which are these lovely little pine cones that I cut out in pink cardstock from the Minte paper pad. I then also used a lovely word die which says Christmas from Kleine Palmer, and then I had it was a Spellbinders die that is a window die, which I just bought actually. There are 2 lovely gorgeous window dies that I just cut apart really, and it created this kind of cool effect there behind the main centerpiece, which of course is this lovely Christmas cake. I love this die cut that you get with the Minte papers. I think it's beautiful, and it's just very, very Christmassy. I then also had some lace and some of this fluffy straw material that I love to use, and I put a little pearl there, and then I also decorated the corners with a die. This is a corner die from Kleine Palmer Designs as well, and just used some of this, I don't know what that was, some silver, some black dots here, just with a 3D paint glue, and yeah, that's literally the card. Quite simple, but quite fun in a way, I think. Not too bad. So now I'm going to draw the winner for my Parisian giveaway, and the winner is drum roll, so to be able for me to send this to you, just contact me within 3 days, and if I don't hear anything from you, I will draw a new winner on my Instagram, and then yeah, I will draw a new winner if that winner doesn't contact me afterwards. But hopefully the first person contacts me and you're able to collect your prize and I will send it out to you. And once again, Dawn, thank you for this lovely collaboration. It's been so fun. I've got to know a lot of new people that I did not know before, and I've got a lot of subscribers, and it's been really, really fun. So thank you once again, Dawn, for having this collaboration, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!